Possibly the hardest part of dealing with Snap is trying to make sure that you get your file shared correctly. So right now I've got this little project. It doesn't do much. When I click the green arrow, my sprite moves forward, but I just needed something to show you with. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this cloud is fully white. If it's not signed in, it'll just be the outline of a cloud. When you are signed in, it'll be white. So if you aren't signed in, you're going to click here and you're going to click sign in. I'm currently signed in. Then you're going to click on this little icon right here that looks kind of like a page. And this is where you're going to click save. To start with, you're just going to save this file. So I'm just going to save this as demo share file. You can save it with something that actually makes sense for what you're doing. In this particular case, because I'm sharing this file with you, I want to show this. I'm clicking to the cloud so that it saves in the cloud. And then I'm just going to click save. You'll see right now my file is called something. I recommend that you start this way when you make a new project. Give it a name. Give it something that's clear so you know what it is. You can name them by lab number because all your labs will be numbered, or you can name them by the file name. Just like what we have in Google Classroom, I think will be the easiest way for you to know what something is. Then, when you want to share this with me, the website up here, do you see how this website is just snap.berkeley, snap? Like, this is the same website that you go to when you first are coming to Snap. It's nothing special based on this file name. And that's your clue that you haven't saved this correctly yet. If you go to File and click Save As, and then click on the file name, when you click Share, and then click Yes, this is going to make this so that your file name, your website, do you see how this has changed? And now it has my username and my project name in the URL link. That's all you need to do right here. You do not need to click publish. As a matter of fact, I'd prefer you not to publish these. Okay, we can talk about publishing another day, but you don't need to publish it. You just make sure that you've clicked share. So unshare is now here, and I click cancel. But that keeps this URL as this new name. So now I could take this and hit Control C or right click on it and click copy, either way. And then that file name is the thing that you're going to paste into Google Classroom when it says upload a link. You're going to link to this page. Now, if you get a comment back from me that says you haven't shared your file yet, that means that all you've shared with me is this part that goes through the snap. Okay, make sure that it has your username and that it has your project name. Notice I had spaces and those come out as %20. That has to do with the way things save, and spaces aren't valid fillers in a URL. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you need help making sure you get your file shared. We can do a screen share and make this happen.